made. And now we'll learn about parrot. Here. I'll show you a very interesting but I need some tool to make her show up. She didn't show up, but by another way. But in fact, her wings is long as this. Here, like this. Can you see it? And I'm here in Vietnam. But I'm a foreigner. And look, here is my parrot. I bought it at Vietnam about 3 months ago, but I think it's rather 1 month. And I'll tell you something. Her feather is blue, but then she has a fur necklace or a feather necklace. If I'm right. In here, green with a red necklace. So pretty, but not as colorful as your imagination. That is so fact. We can be scared. I have so cautious. Can you see she opened her beak? She can make your eyes wide and make you have a big accident. You can get into trouble if you're not be careful. To touch her, and you have to do so. Be careful. Like this. To touch her head. Well, that is why you must be cautious and be careful. Actually, there are 2 best places. And that is for one thing. The thing that I'm telling to do is Africa in Vietnam. Because this is Vietnam. Short-tailed parrot. She is so smart that she can teach how to talk. And one more thing, African has the kind of parrot, gray African. And in that place was the place that has the kind of parrot, the gray African, as you know. And she's very smart. They're smart, so smart that their IQ is only exactly like a 5-year-old child. Well, that is why you might have to choose these. They're so smart. You can teach them how to speak. If you want a friend, but too bad about saying about people. And that is the meaning why you must be cautious and be truthful about the kind that you want to do in teaching. I can teach her a simple trick, but that's not fun. It's using her food, put it in my hand, and then let her eat. Or sometimes I have to put the food exactly like this with her beak. And that's why you must be truthful and be a good friend. Oh, I don't think that trick is can be like that. But you have to be cautious about this trick. That is, if you do like that, the parrot may harm you with the hand. And you may have a bad hand after playing this trick. Be cautious. Goodbye!